If I've been here, I went to my local Goodwill and was poking around in there, and this is what I found. This is a 1999 Lasko 3733. What you say? This is a 99 Lasko 3733 20-inch box fan. Yeah, I always wanted one of these. I know they're really cool fans, and yeah, and as one of my favorite handles, knobs. I like these kind of knobs. And the handle is same on all Laskos. And really, it wasn't really that dirty. All I did is there's a little dust on the blades, a little dust on the grills. I put the grills in the bathtub and I rinsed those, and that's about it. No rust on the bottom whatsoever. And yeah, so here's high. Medium. And low. And off. This is in my bedroom window, so take a look at the back. It has a Marco motor, which no startup sound though, which is too bad, but I still like the fan. And I put the grills on and backwards. Lovely. Okay, so here it is on again. I can keep these curtains away. That'll be nice. There we go. Sorry, I'm fighting with these curtains here. There we go. Medium. Low. And off. I had a Galaxy a long time ago, back in March, 3714, somewhere around there, and the motor started to sound weird, so I got rid of it, and I bought it from the same place. Alright, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.